Strategic selling with perspective is the strongest selling process available. In a world of rapidly changing buyer expectations, your selling teams need to provide insight and value through perspective in a strategic way. I'm Leena, Sales and Transformation Advisor, and would like to take you through the workshop insights and what you can expect to achieve out of it. Typical training is about skills. The workshop that we propose is the methodology wherein how do you put those skills into action in your opportunities. While yes, we need those skills, but what does those skills do for you and how does it help you build a strategy is the focus. Skills are capabilities sales professionals need to develop to be able to follow the steps of the sales process. And methodology is what adds details to the sales process that allows us to focus on exactly what to do and why to do it for each step. A sales methodology shows how to connect the sales process to the customer's path. So in our case, we're going to go from the right side, as in skills, to methodology. So Strategic Selling with Perspective is a 2-day program that is designed to give you a strategy for complex sale, and it is focused on complex selling. When we say complex selling, it means you have got multiple options you can present to the customer, or the customer has multiple options or alternatives around them. But more importantly to know is that there are several people involved in influencing a deal within your client environment. Our research says that the number of influencers in a complex sale continues to increase. We are seeing an average of 6.5 people having influenced the decision of a complex sales. We are not seeing more people from the procurement or from engineering teams alone, but we are seeing is from a lot more disciplines, that is legal, IT, finance, and other departments also have a voice. What we want to do is to contact or at least identify the people involved into the buying process and understand their feelings for our solutions and build a strategy to get them really on our side in promoting our solution. There are 3 areas that will be helpful to you. Number 1, it helps build a strategy that can be repeatable, scalable, and consistent. Gives your team a tool wherein everybody in your team is using a common strategy to approach a deal. Number 2, it will give you a common language, red flags, strengths, wins, results, etc. Lastly, close deals consistently. We work on this concept called win fast and lose fast. The deals that are not meant for us, let's move on. Let's go focus on deals that we can be competitive with. It will help you to understand how to prioritize and allocate your selling time. Most important to remember is we work on your opportunities, your challenges, your customer needs, and drive the best action plan post the 2 days of workshop. If you need to know more, you know very well where to reach me. So register and look forward to seeing you at the workshop.